Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Teardown. Last time we tried to defeat Godzilla with the UFO. That did not work. Now, it's for the lasers. Let's summon Godzilla. Let's see I don't know, this might not work. Because Godzilla is pretty strong. Right. No, die. Not going, guys. I'm getting any damage. Wow, like at least the UFO like made him mobilize them. This is not even hurting him. Die! How will you die? Oh, that's him. Come after me. Ah, yes! Die! 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 Aim for the neck, guys. The neck always works. He's not even losing any damage, guys. Well, okay, guys. We didn't defeat him, but Blocks did. I hope you enjoyed. Leave a like, comment, subscribe. I can't believe that didn't work, guys. No. Like, we didn't do this, he did that. And what killed him was he fell and just can't get up. Okay. Goodbye, guys.